Hello, darlings. Ish, guys. Yabona nje. Anyway, so this ex-user posted this video and the caption was, "The cheating posh guy Tabiso and his woman finally broke up. They even called the cops." So guys, let's watch the video and then we're gonna go to the comments. I shame.
You're gonna leave the Wi-Fi. Don't even think of anything there because there is nothing. Checking what? Checking what?
Checking. What I'm checking.
Checking what?
This can be with this.
Kiri, you forgot to you are not working anymore. You can't afford. You even told your mom. Why did you tell your mom? Why you buta mama how hori? Emma pin. Why buta mama how hori? Nna. Emma pin. Why buta mama how hori? Nna ke rile hori uluve merek. Ulu. Ke rekile ko jet. Please. Ko jet. Ke tlhaile ke rekile ntho ko jet.
Be with it with the yapar. It's fine. Mere ke lo
She had
Yes.
close everything away from you.
Yes.
But it's fine.
Hata mai. Ya ka mutia video.
Yes.
Go with the Wi-Fi.
If it says
Go with your Which bag? Which bag? Which bag? Which bag? Which bag? Tabiso ureka di Carol boys half and then we halang Diago Crusaders. Who's taking them out? My money. My money. Who's taking them out? Who's taking them out? Oh, go and start afresh.
Let's see this side. What am I leaving?
So, but who bonang? Oh, we're taking. Out of my daddy katana to how this guy land like it all well. Bye bye. No.
Just a little bit, please.
Oh, and that. What is it that you? No, take this.
Let's just calm down. It is been a long day. It's been a long day.
Nah, I can go. No. No.
What is this? Let's see. Let's see.
Let's see. That's my documents in there.
Let's just see.
You don't know who I packed my things. Can you look at
Noise.
What
I'm
noise?
taking the bag. I'm bringing it here.
Yeah.
This is my bag. What are you doing?
Just give me this bag.
No, this bag belongs to me.
Okay, but
So I'm taking it from there and then I'm bringing it here.
That Eric said you attack. Eric said you attack.
Take out your stuff from
Fatum.
here. Take out your stuff.
just take your stuff.
I can bring that side is hard. So I'm bringing this side. Yes. Take your stuff
I
there.
tell us you must relax just a bit.
Oh, when I'm around, we took around my
We
devil.
are here. You're safe. Oh, Lola, thank you.
No, you are not doing anything for me. You are not. Even when you are working, you are not doing anything for me. I was doing everything for myself. That's what you must put it in your mind. But wanna know patala school fees if I look at a lip leg. And then untang dilotaga. What dilotaga? What plastic? Plastic is okay para tabana bagan. Rohala dia tabana bag. Rohala dia tabana bag. Rohala dia tabana bag.
Why is she directing me? I know why she's doing stuff. Hey, Joe.
This is give dia para tabana. We push.
Stay there. Stay there. Give me my chance. No, give me my chance. Stay there. I'm not breaking. I want to see what is in here.
Because of
For what? What are you saying? I want to see what's in here. What am I leaving? So you
To those who don't understand the language, nam guys ish ngumuntu, so that's not my language. So yeah guys, anyway, let's go through the comments. So this one said, the caption, lol, they will be back together creating content again. Hey, bangazosijwayela kablaba abonje meke babuyelana kuzomela baboshwe straight ngeke phela lihlale bona angeke, there's no way. So guys, this is what she posted on her page. She said, finally letting him go. Watch me rise stronger, wiser and unshaken. I choose myself, my peace, my kids, my business and my brand new beginning. So guess born next week lava. So guess born supposed to be a Manje, where is he going without a job? Back home? This one responded and said he is going back to his. Hey, Asas. Women think short term. This guy will bounce back and he doesn't need this woman. I hope he leaves her forever. She'll be tossed around, and the next thing he'll be saying men are trash because she failed to stick to his man in sickness and health. This one said he got scammed big time. A man must never play a parent to a girlfriend by paying school fees. Never. Be a boyfriend, not a father. That's a spouse level responsibility. My parents taught me early in life: date smart, live peacefully, and never fight over an ex-girlfriend. Okay. Notice how she says, how sabereka. She made sure she cost him his job, and now that the mission has been accomplished, she's throwing him out. Women will keep you around as long as they stand to gain something from you. Guys, I'm sorry to say this, but I don't feel sorry for any man. I don't feel sorry for any man. Men must go through it. Aibo, guys. I don't feel sorry for any man. They must go through it. Yeah. How do you chase someone from the house and ask them where they are going because they are unemployed? Do women really understand themselves sometimes, Mara? The guy doesn't need to tell her where he's going, man. Akira, she says she wants peace. Yeah, now you're making sense. You are making sense. Lapo mina, there's even not one lady who ever called police on me. They just say it's over and continue with their lives like nothing ever happened. Yazi ukuba ndipepe encane kuyisinyama yazi. Uthini lo muntu? Yazi ukuba nepipe encane kuyisinyama yazi. Ngihalela ukubizela amaphoyisa nami Nkosi yami. Hayi ngeke guys, umuntu esifazane obhalele comment. Akekho nje umuntu wesilisa ovumayo ukuthi nepipe encane, never. Akekho. I think abayiboni. What? Guys, Laba, we are tired of them. Looks like they enjoy the spotlight. Yani Ashimbandla ibanesidina. Futhi mina ngiyagcinayo ukukhuluma ngabo manje, like this is the last time. Ngoba abo nje babuyelana. Angeke ngize ngikhulume ngabo. Futhi nje sengiba unfollowile already because what? No. Sikhatheli bona guys, angeke phela hayibo. I don't feel sorry for her. She had the chance to leave long ago. Exactly. Guys, ubani feel sorry for her? Like, who feels sorry for her? Their room is such a mess. Do they live on a back room? Guys. Hey, Asas. Hey. I hope Tabiso has made enough savings to sustain himself until he bounces back. He was wrong to betray his family by cheating on his wife. However, to be dumped because you are now unemployed is something I'll never condone regardless of any other circumstances. Shubile. The next guy should know that this chick is a filmmaker. Everything is captured on cam and akadlala usisi shem. When's our show? My sister needs to jump on a new deck. She'll forget about this broke posh guy. Posh nigga. Cheating or not, women will leave you when funds run dry. She had to remind him that he lost his job and can't afford anything. Hey, Kasyam. Now she will be a spam dish for all. Oh, and gents learn to have multiple girlfriends. The one woman is a trap. Men are polygamist by nature. Only a simpleton has one girlfriend. Hey, bana. I hope all of this is not for social media money, because we will get them arrested for wasting state funds. Exactly. Like ngempela shame. I agree 100%. 100%. Only breadwinner, providers, and head of homes are allowed to cheat, guys. You can't be a cheater when you aren't a provider. For real, for real, for real, for real. She's leaving because he lost his job, not because of anything else. It's crazy how she forgave the cheating, but left him the moment he lost his job. Most women are after the bag. They don't give a shit about the gent. Eish, guys, at this point, really, hey guys, sikhathele bethu. Kade sasinithanda nina mesinithanda nibona ngathi siyilima mfethu. Hayi sikhathele manje. Yaphi hamba imali nisiyahamba yi. Ngeke phela we are tired. Ngiyadlala, guys. But yeah, for real, like, think about it. Why did he return after that drama? This boy Mara. Or is it because he was no longer working? He was depending on her? Why leave at a woman's place at the first place? I will never accept help from a woman, no matter how broke I am. I will not even date if I'm broke. Yes. You dating for what? You know that you are broke. Then why are you dating? You must leave other people's daughters if you know that you are broke. I love this guy. If you know that you are broke, don't date. Don't shela. Ushelan. No. They are boring. We have pressing issues than to focus on their stupid nonsense. Hey, yeah. This guy is very dramatic. Social life will destroy him. Yeah. No matter how right I am and how wrong my partner is, but I will never post my shit and drama on social media. That's so low. But anyway, a lot of people crave attention and validation in these days of smartphones and content creation. Lol. And why are they fighting for Wi-Fi? Hey guys, hey, mina nje iyangihlekisa yonke le ndaba ngoba labantu laba next week bazobe sebebuyelele. Hey, sebeyidlile nemali ya Facebook, because phela lama video belokhu bawaposta la Facebook uyakhokha. Ubona benza imali ngale content, badla imali. Hey, shame. I think the lady was just waiting for court order documents so that she can finally be over with the guy. It seems like she has been taking care of him financially. That is something that I will never do. Ngisho kuthiwa ngirich kanjani nginakela indoda imali yami wema ungafa. That is something I personally will never ever do. Ever. We don't care about these two. They played us. The streets never forgets. And ugeli waze washisa yonke into. Washisa. Kanti uzobuyela ugeli. Hayi bandla. Hayi shame. These two are toxic and they crave attention. Guys, Facebook uyakhokha. These people are just making money at this point. Ngisho kuthiwa sebe serious thina soyitshela ukuthi besenze content. Ngoba hayi shame. Hayi bayayithanda shame attention bona hayi. Most men lose their jobs because of women. She was sticking with him because he had an income and she was benefiting, but now that she cost him his job, she wants him out of the house. Women of these days have no love, and I know better than falling in love because it's a trap. Let me tell you something, honey. We were not born like this. We used to love. We used to be lover girls. Trust me. Nasenzan. Sathi yazini sesikhathele ke nathi manje. Sathi yazini we are done. Sikhathele nisivovile bo. Hayi, sesi right. Sisi sasinithanda bo. Bafana sasinithanda hayi kancane kodwa sabona ukuthi hayi indaba yenu manje hayi asinendaba ke manje hey asinendaba nje. This relationship was really on thin ice after the public cheating allegations. Yeah. If you think Xhosa women are terrible, just experience women from Pretoria and their boyfriends. Hey, drama. Ithina nje abantu aba-right amaZulu nkosi yami siyayihloniphela asinayo idrama sizilungele nje. Wakwezwa abantu wena ekhala ngabantu besifazane abamaZulu bakhala ngamadoda amaZulu hayi ngabantu besifazane bamaZulu. They'll be back again together next week. Yeah, bangalinge basibhedele bona kuzomele baboshwe straight. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. That's it from me. Please share your thoughts under the comments. Guys, I am so sorry that this video is like guys, there's a lot happening. Like I'm sick and flu guys. I took medication so angekho right. So I'm sorry for ukuthi the video be like it's all over nje. Sorry about that. Anyway guys, I'll see you on my next one.